Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about what are the benefits of using Google Cloud Storage services such as cloud storage and cloud Firestone. Google Cloud Storage services including cloud storage and cloud file store offer several benefits that make them attractive options for business and developers. Here are some of the key advantages. Scalability. Google Cloud Storage services are designed to scale seamlessly, allowing you to store and retire data as you need this, and you can easily adjust your storage capacity up or down without worrying about infrastructure's management. Durability. Google Cloud Storage is designed for high durability with data redundancy across multiple locations. Your data is protected against hardware failures, and you can choose the storage class that best suits your durability and availability requirements. Google global reach. Google Cloud Storage services have a global network of data centers, making it easy to store and access data from anywhere in the world. This global reach it helps reduce latency and improve data access time for users and application worldwide. Security. Google Cloud provides robust security features including encryption at rest and in transit, identity and access management, IAM control, and audit logging. You can also take advantages of tools like Google Cloud Identity Aware Proxy, IAP for the fine and grained access control. Cost effective. Google Cloud offers flexible pricing option including pay as you go and custom pricing plans. You only pay for the storage and network bandwidth you actually use, which can help optimize cost for your specific workload. Integration. Google Cloud Storage services seamlessly integrate with other Google Cloud product and service such as Google Kubernetes engine, GKE, and Biocare and ALML tools. The integration simplifies data management and pricing workflows. Data transfer. Google Cloud offers tools services for the efficient data transfer, including transfer appliance for larger scale data migration and transfer services for online data transfer. Object versioning. Google Storage provides versioning support, allowing you to preserve and retrieving previous versioning of objects. This feature is useful for data backup and recovery scenarios.